This conference will now be recorded.
Hello DBS, welcome to our YouTube channel Oracle Ride. So today I will discuss about the eighth session of my series, which is based on Oracle 19c RAC. And today I will discuss about the Oracle Clusterware technology stack. So basically, Clusterware is a platform independent facility for starting, stopping, and managing cluster-wide resources. So Oracle Clusterware had two physical stacks. One is Cluster Ready Services Technology Stack, and second is Oracle High Availability Services Technology Stack. So that is first one is CRS, second one is OHAS. But there is a daemon for that, so that's why we say that cluster ready services CRS daemon, that is CRSD, and lower stack we say Oracle High Availability Service daemon, that is OHASD. So these two stacks have several processes that facilitate cluster operations. And the first one, cluster ready services stack, basically manage the cluster resources based on the configuration information that is stored in OCR for each resource. And this include start, stop, monitor, and failover operations. And Oracle High Availability Services Stack, that is OHAS, is responsible for monitoring and maintaining the high availability of Oracle ASM and Oracle Clusterware itself. And you can see in the diagram, this is showing clusterware processes and services. So here you can see that we had node, both node, and we have Oracle Clusterware. In that you can see that Oracle Clusterware ready services and Oracle high availability services. Okay, so this the source of image is Oracle documentation I have taken. So I have to mention this. And so that's it for today's session. And thank you very much for watching my series. And one thing I want to request you, all of you, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And also, if you still not a subscriber, so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Oracle Ride. If you do this, it will motivate me. And thanks again for being here, and happy learning.